Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy and I'm CTO and co-founder at AcuPower, and today I want to demonstrate to you unique extension which only AcuPower in Acumatica can suggest you, is Stripe integration, which allows you to pay by link. So how it works? To put simply, you can have pay by link functionality, and here we have sales order. If we want to charge our customer Alt-A, how we do it? We basically create sales order in Acumatica, then we print sales order, and we can send it also by email, and our customer will get invoice. Invoice will have a nice click pay now. Customer clicks here, and then customer can enter his credit card information, and then he can also save his credit card if he wants on your server. Then customer enters his credit card zip code in UK, for example, and then when he clicked, he can see that this amount was paid. And then in Acumatica, you can go on payment links and you can click on sync payment link. And in case if customer paid, synchronization now happens. So API request goes to Stripe server. And in case if payment was successful, here we will have even payment created. So again, only AcuPower can provide you with this extension to Stripe. No one else has it because out of the box, Acumatica Stripe integration doesn't have pay by link functionality.